Hello everyone, this is the third video of making an Android application, an audio recorder using Android Studio. Last time I did mention to you that we need to fix some stuff. First one is the directory. It seems the slash is not recognizable by the system, so we need to add one. The toast, we need to make it longer. Okay. It is because while we are recording and we stop the recorder, we need to make a toast and make a text that the audio file is saved to then the directory, and we need to make it longer because the path name is so long that we can't read it all over in a matter of seconds. And the next one is every time we record an audio, it will replace to the replace to the previous ones that you just recorded. So every time you record, the previous one will be deleted and will replace the new ones. So we need to stop that, and we need to the file keep, and the new file that we just recording, there must be some kind of integer. For example, we just record the first audio, the next audio file would be named recorded audio 2 and 3 and 4 and so forth. We need to do that. In order to do that, we need to add int. Okay, int, let's call it I is equal to 1. So my method of doing this is putting while loop inside an if-else statement or if statement. First, we need to declare the audio file. So as you can see, I already put the integer we just created earlier. So the output file would probably name as directory storage output file audio records the output file recorded audio plus the I is equal to 1, so that would be 1, and the extension file name. So this is the output. The next one is the if statement. Let's do if new file is existing. Then we need to do the while loop. We need to increment the I is equal to I plus plus. Then the while loop. Oh, I'm sorry. All we need to do is the while loop and not the if statement. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so new file equals, let's copy this. Alright, for me it's quite understandable now, but I'll explain it anyway. I explained earlier that this will be the output file name recorded audio 1.wav. So we just added the while loop. If the new file exists, if this is exist, then we will add I, declare the new file to the new one. So the new output name would be 2 because the increment. So it will go back to the while, and if the new file, I mean the recorded audio 2, is also existed, then it will become 3 until he finds there's no more existing file. So for example, like that would be 955 or something. This is not existing, so he's gonna proceed this code and we'll try to rename it recorded audio 955.wav. Alright, I think that should settle it. Let's build the application. Alright, I already installed the application. Let's try it. Okay, it says it's recording. The audio file save is oh, there's something I'm missing. But let's see if the directory is work. Oh, here it is. It's actually worked, but I forgot to add the integer to the other directory. Let's try that. Alright. We need to change all similar like this and add some integer I. Okay, the first one. Okay. Okay, the critical one. There's nothing more. Let's build it again and try. Okay. And done. Okay, so let's try the first recorder. Okay. Alright, recorded audio 1. Let's try another record. Alright guys, it seems we just caught a bug it seems we're getting infinite loops. So in order to fix this, we need to change the I++ into I+1. It should be something like that. So I already installed the I++ implemented on the new application. Let's try it. Let's try recording. Hello. Hello. Alright, it seems it's working now. Let's try it again. Hey. Hello. Audio recorded audio 3. This is recording recorded audio 4. Let's try hearing that. This is recording recorded audio. Okay, it seems it's working fine for me. So anyway, thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. If I have missed something or do you have any other questions, leave it in the comment section so I'll read it. So I'm gonna make some preparations next time. Please like and subscribe. The more videos will come.